everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. I got to thinking, what would a delicious sticky date taste like in ice cream form? So I've been having a play in the kitchen and I'm really happy with what I've created. So I'm very excited to share it with you. So I'm going to be using the Vitamix A3500i today, and I'm going to be using the 1.4 litre container. So this is just a bit more compact, so it's better for doing smaller serves. So this recipe is in 2 parts. So I've created a delicious ice cream base for us, and then I'll be doing a nice caramel sauce to drizzle on top. So we'll start with the ice cream. I'm using 3 frozen bananas. So make sure they're really nice and frozen. So when we're making ice creams, we need 1 part liquid to 3 parts frozen. I've got 70 mils of soy milk. So next we've got some delicious medjool dates. These are so caramelly and sweet and just gonna make it so delicious. And I've pitted all of those myself. So I've got 6 of those. Next I have a tablespoon of tahini. So this is just gonna add a new depth of flavor because it's very similar to kind of caramel tones. So it's just gonna make it really rich and delicious. And next I've got some vanilla essence. So I've got about just under a capful there. And last, I'm going to add a little bit of salt in there. So this is just gonna bring out our flavors even more. So this is optional. Few cracks. Tommy, unfortunately, didn't freeze my bananas very well, so we might need to add a little bit of ice in. So just keep that in mind. Depending on the size of your bananas, depending how frozen they are, you might need to add some ice in. So Vitamix actually has a safety feature. The machine won't start unless that's locked in place properly. So that's really great. So I'm just gonna use my manual settings today, and I'm going to make sure that I use my tamper straight away. So we're gonna turn the machine on and I'll get it straight up to high speed. Now I'm gonna make my delicious caramel sauce to drizzle on top. What I like to do is make a few serves so that then I can just keep it in the fridge and have it over a few nights. Firstly, I've got some lovely coconut milk. So this is gonna be nice and creamy. I'm gonna add half a cup in. Now I've got 2 tablespoons of tahini. So again, this sort of delicious, rich caramel flavor. Now I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. So this is really caramelly again. I've got 3 sort of smaller medjool dates pitted as well. And lastly, I've got a cap full of vanilla essence. So it's very similar flavors, just used in a different way and much more condensed into this beautiful caramel sauce. I'm just gonna use our manual functions and I'm gonna blend for about 30 seconds until it's nice and smooth. Put your lid cap on. Oh gosh, that smells so yummy. That blend between being thick and runny. So that keeps for a few days as well in the fridge, so just put it in an airtight container. So I've just had this sitting in the freezer while I make my caramel sauce. I've added in another cup of ice because unfortunately they weren't frozen enough. Tommy will have to do it next time. So let's blend this up. You know what? We've got more ice cream now, so there's nothing wrong with that. Oh, that's so good. I honestly love these flavors so much. I think I did a very good job. I want to try my caramel sauce. Yum. It's honestly so delicious. I really hope you try it. I hope you love it. Please let me know if you've got any questions in the comments below. A very happy blending today.